everyone, it's Kerry back with you today. So I'm here today to catch up on one of our giveaway videos. I'll be picking a video from May that we should have drawn in June, but we inadvertently took a bit of a break. And I'm also going to give you a little bit of a sneak peek at one of Reni's fabulous new digis. This looks like an AI background, but believe it or not, these are all individually fussy cut flowers. And I wish I could tell you that I was so patient and precise that I have cut all of these out myself, but I didn't. I got the good old brother Scan and Cut to do that for me. But this is one of Reni's new digis that I can't wait to show you. This is just one of the designs in the kit. But if you're one of our lucky winners today, because I'm picking 5 winners and each winner gets a $10 digital gift voucher to purchase digital product from our shop, you could pick this kit. Hopefully it will be available when this video goes live, but if not, it will be here very shortly. So let's pop over and pick our winners for today. Now, the video that I have chosen is the May Story Scraps Challenge video, episode 3, where we made collage strips. So we had 69 comments on that video. So let's go ahead and draw our winners. So our first winner is Rosemarie McClure, 3227. Hopefully I pronounced that right. Our next winner is Jutus, 8791. Going to get in trouble pronouncing these names, I know it. Our third winner is Candice Farmer, 2730. Our fourth winner for today is Susie Mac Creations. And our last winner is Reza Mateo, 8003. So congratulations. You will find our email address in the description box below. Please send us an email and we'll organise to get you your $10 digital gift voucher. To everybody else, don't worry if you didn't win. There's always another chance with our next giveaway video. But we do really appreciate the support, and commenting and liking our videos helps more than you would know. So thank you so much for your continued support. I will be doing another catch up for our July drawing, which would have been for a June video. So if you haven't already, pop over to our channel and comment on as many June videos as you can, and I'll be picking a June video probably in about a week or so to do that draw. In the meantime, thank you so much for your support. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again next time. Bye.